So where's that? Got a mail call. Got stuff. This is from, oh, I turn over. Donald J. Trump. No, not it's from Cydsdad. Y'all know Cydsdad. Make sure. Send me. I've been playing with it. I'm not gonna lie. It's had it a day or so. I've been like setting stuff on fire. He sent me a fire kit. He sent me one of those portable collapsible pipe things. Either, or I guess call it good. This is going to go in bulb. Put that in bulb. And sent me a whole bunch of these little cotton tabs full of wax or whatever. Set this on fire till it's ready. And he sent me a pack of pipe tobacco. I like this little bag. Got spark wheel and chart cloth. And there's a couple of deals of glycerin. I found the other half of this fire somewhere else. We'll play with that later. But it's got the little, I guess like Ever Match or whatever. I don't know what they're called. I don't know what the name brand or whatever it is. But it's basically super. I was playing with it, I know it worked. And then break it. That goes. Then it don't. There we go. Read the instructions. Didn't come with instructions. But anyway. And it's got extra flames. So, just thinking about it, I don't know why having this, I don't know, pendant or something, or keychain or something like that. And if you're wearing a neck knife, why not have this beside it? Problem solved as far as getting a spark. And he sent me some chart cloth. And this little tin right here, that's what's in this tin. Which and got me some. Everybody's asking me if I ever played with the chaga or whatever. Hadn't yet. Can now. Char tin, stuff for char tin. I've used char tin. And then this. You see that? This is wicked. Cool. It's like a super mega magnifying glass. You know, they're so big right now. Wait, let me see. Can you see me? Can you see me through there? Oh, see how big I am. Super mega huge. It's still bitty. But then you drop that in your pocket or wherever. It's probably the heaviest thing in the kit, but it's cool. And quite honestly, don't know what this is. Amadou tinder is made from horsehoof fungus. I haven't touched this one part yet. And then got call it Persimmon with a striker. And potassium permanganate. Cotton. Y2K and magnesium. I like that supposed to be KY. That's what it is. But I think you take the potassium manganate. I gotta look it up on the internet, but I believe you take the potassium manganate and put the glycerin on it, and I believe it bursts into flame. I believe so. Haven't played with any of that yet. I'm gonna readjust y'all and we'll start a fire. Wait, stop. Can you feel this? Can y'all see what I'm doing? This is one of those cottony thingies. When I was playing with it, I figured this out. If you kind of break up the fiber residues. You get the fire. Can't you see the fire? You have the fire. Ah, it exploded. And then back. It goes out. Hey, it went out. The wind got it. Huh? And then, uh-oh. I broke part of it out. It's on the floor. It's on fire. This thing will burn forever. That little piece right there is probably a 1/4 inch wide and 1/2 inch long. Let's just leave it there and see how long it takes it to burn out. I can't use the magnifying glass because it's like dark outside. This feels like leather. It feels like feels like a piece of leather. It has the texture of supple leather. Did y'all time that? Do y'all know how long that's? Because it's still going. It's about to go out. But it's still going right now. Here. I don't want to play anymore. Oh! It still got wax and stuff. It could have gone forever more. Wait. What do we want to try with this one? Let's see if we can do something. I don't know anything about this. Ooh. Can you fiber it up? Ah, it sure stings. Ah, that's like tar cloth. That's what it's doing like. Yeah. There's a piece of it on fire right there. I put my thumb on it. You see it? Ah. Okay. Save it. Save it. Save it. Save it for later. Well, you know what? This stuff isn't real easy to put out. Matter of fact, I can't put that out. That stuff works really flipping good. I just gonna have to let it burn up. That smoke's gonna go in the house. I'm gonna die. Anyway, thank you, Cydsdad. Appreciate it. I'm gonna keep playing with this bunch. Wait. You see it? Wait, I'll move it. I'll move it over here. Where's my doohickey at? I did do some research, and this stuff will repel mosquitoes. Okay, that's not gonna work. Trying to light a candle by blowing it out. You didn't know either. Anyway, make sure. Kick y'all up a little bit. There we go. Oh, no more. Try my editing skills out. Appreciate it. There's some of this that's definitely going in. All it's going in some of my kits. But there's a couple pieces that are going in my main kit. So, and the rest of them just gonna set stuff on fire with. God bless y'all. Y'all stay alive. Don't die.